Hello viewer, you have taken that design. Let's change it and then create the further designs as well to make it. Now we will do some changes there, as well as here we will make the further designs and create more visuals. So there I will make it done. So use that one as well. There is the further option. Thank you for watching.